Hi, back again to this course, Golang Microservices full course, and today we will talk about security in our microservices. As you can see, right, in the previous episode that we have already done, we are implement rate limiting, and it's part of the security also. And then we have XSS and CSRF prevention, that is also security, but now we will continue with a long story now, with long video or long course for this episode. So the objective is we want to secure a gRPC, and then broker HTTP, and etc. We make sure the financial commands is authenticated, authorized and validated, and item button and file close for secret GWT. And then we need to add a security lah in here. So why this episode exists? Because we need to continue to implement the securities, because last time we do GWT, RBRC, XSS, and CSRF. Then we need to make sure we step to the next next step lah. The next step is this one. Okay. Yeah, I think we can try to do first is by the second. I think for now we need to have OpenSSL for generate the certificate. You can try to make sure by open the terminal and then do this one. I have OpenSSL version April, and then you make sure you have that. I see the microservices first, and now I have in the feature in the new branch actually. So we should do, for example, like a generate of the mTLS certificate. We need to do this per service, so then gRPC calls are encrypted and services can prove their identity. Okay, so we define the trust boundaries, right? For the gRPC we need to make sure that we have mTLS and mTLS or workload identity and method for authorization, then the deadline. Then after that we do the we do the script generation lah. This one I have new folder which is scripts and generate gRPC certs. I think I want to make directory scripts in Touch. Okay, I have already done. Touch, I think generate script certs.sh. I just want to copy this one. Okay, copy. Okay, wait. Hey, sorry. This should be moved to the script here. I need to copy this for until it's this one. So here I do create the certificates. What I'm going to do is now make sure we run the script, which is chmod for this. Okay, sorry, this should be like this. Chmod search. Why I don't have this one? chmod plus h script, then generate. What is the difference between this and this? Okay, this one is script search and we have gRPC search, so I think I should rename. Okay, sorry, I want to clear first and then do this. Yep. And after that do something like .script / generate gRPC search, and I have this search here, folder search certificates, and I should add in the ignore, which is search folder. I don't want this to upload it to the GitHub, so yeah, this one should be fine. This we have a API gateway, what service for almost everything here because we have services here. Yeah, then we do the OpenSSL generating root CA in here with the gen RSA, and yeah, after that I want to make sure that verify no contents this one, so yes. Then we create the gRPC TLS helper, which is inside the shared microservices shared gRPC TLS.go. Insert this here shared, I create new folder here gRPC and I create TLS.go, actually TLS.go, and then after that this one TLS require and verify means the server demands a client certificate. No certificate, no connection. And then minimal version is TLS 1.3 because all TLS version insecure. And then get the client credential, get server option, allow to the app to work without certificate in local dev but require them in the production. So here I just copy TLS.go. yeah, as you can see inside this we have a load server credential and then load client credential, and this one is get client credential and then get server option. So if not in production we can just use insecure new credential, but in production we need to load client credential with the certificate file here. If you can see, like later we should have been new create actually we have gRPC with insecure new credential, something like this. This is okay in the local but not good in the production. Okay, so after that what we do, we create the identity interceptor, because create a gRPC interceptor that extract the caller's identity from their mTLS certificate and verify it against an allow list. So we create the interceptor.go. Here I just want to copy interceptor.go. So what in here is just basically we can verify the identity. So if include in allow list, then can go. Okay, then the when service A call service B via gRPC, the unary client identity mean that this one will have a service name here, and then attach X service identity because this one X service identity, and to the outgoing request metadata. On the receiving end, the required service identity here is extract the color CN from their mTLS certificate that we have already generated. Yeah. Then it checks if the CN is allowed or not. If not, then permission denied. Allow set this one allowed, so we can have this letter. When we call this, we pass the allow list here, and if not, then we return the identity required and unauthenticated. And in development, no mTLS certification, so we can pass this allow insecure fallback to be false, this one, and then to be true. Yeah, allow insecure fallback to be true. So in production mode it should be false, but in development can be true. Then after that, update config SSL in the config file here, which is, where is this? Should be in the config.co, in the shared as well. I add this one, config.co, I think. Yeah, this one. In 36, I think I should put m here, and then here is, I add the logger in here, logger fatal here, JWT secret. If in production, if not in production, we can just pass the GFG secret to here, hard code it, but in production we cannot do that. For production it should be fatal, so the app will not working and GWT secret is required. Then I add this one is production function to make sure that production, if this is a production or development. And then if this one inside where here, I just copy value in the 187, which is here. 187 is here. I just don't want to be continued, just logger fatal context. Production secret must not be empty. Okay, and then after that, what we do now is where mTLS plus identity into every service. So wait a second. Okay, I think we need to add this one. Payment gRPC address is has to this one, so I just put here. Okay, I need this one though actually. 5% default. 5% default to be here. Wait a second, I just need this one. Okay, and then the last one is this one. Okay, later we will see this one need to be insert what, right? And then after that, every cmd main.co need to load the credential, identity interceptor, and we need to add in every service, which is here. We are in the, what is this, general pattern. Actually every service gRPC client need, so we check in the out service. Okay, in the out service cmd domain.co, we have this one with credential change to user cred, something like this. So we go here, out service, I think API gateway also or not, no need yet. This one no, in this also no need yet. Okay, not for this. I just go to the out service first, here I create the shared gRPC. I import the shared gRPC, and then I add the user creds here, user credential inside 48 here, which is this one. And then as you can see, I create CFG is production as here, and then this one, this should be here. Okay, I just asking AI first, is this okay for hard code, or we need to make this include in config? Okay, don't code yet. I think I forgot to do that. Copy, don't code yet, don't code yet. Then I need to remove this user with a credential, with a user credential here, gRPC with transport, and then I add this one. We can add with this with chain unary interceptor, which is in, this is a package in gRPC, and out service something like unary, because this is calling, wait, this is called to the out service I think, so we can do this. This is called calling into user service, but identity is out service. This is service from out service and calling user service. I think this one hard coding is completely okay in standard practices. Here is why. It's fine to hard code because the exact gRPC service name generated from your protobuf, it doesn't change per environment, unlike IP address. So configuration is meant for values that vary between deployments. Okay, so this is no problem because the service is all fixed, yeah, not not a variable. So mean this is okay. We leave this as we leave this first, no problem. Then and then I add the wallet credential here, because this is calling user service, and then we call the wallet credential wallet service, so we need the wallet credential. This is the same, just doing something like this again, and then here, and then we change from new credential to wallet creds. And then here, what is this? GFT GWT secret wallet client. What do we need here? I think this is later. I think this is later. The different approach. This one we can go to the, no problem lah. We also add here first lah. In out service, this is GFG GWT secret. So GFG GWT secret, I want to search here. So in out service, update our middleware, we need to update call pause this one, because we remove insecure, yeah, we remove insecure part. So we need to add this one. Where is this? 115. No, this one is not 115 though. Okay, I think because I just enter, so it's different. Yeah, should be in here. CFG GWT secret. Okay, this is error, no problem. Later we continue. I just want to close this one first. Then server option here, gRPC server. Where is gRPC server? gRPC new server auth. Okay, I just changed this to gRPC server with the server option here. Something like this, and then yeah, I append this one again. Okay, this should be fine. No. Scheduler service and API gateway. This should be good. Then for the middleware auth, middleware RDP, we add the GWT secret here. So, and then after that, in out service, right, I need to improve, which is here, new out service, because we have GWT secret. We need to create this one again. GWT secret, I just want to make it readable, so here okay, here with the GWT secret, yeah. And then access token here, I need to add GWT secret inside generate token with type, this one. And also for refresh token, this one. And then for refresh token here, we also need to pass this one and this one, yeah. And then what is this? Claim, yeah. Claim is in logout inside shared validate token here, yeah, this one. Okay, cmd insecure, remove the imported from Golang insecure, update out service, call pass this, and then yeah, this right, it should be for the teachability sec. Wait, I'm not doing this yet, so I just not add here first, just like this first, yeah, because the function inside generate token with type is not at the GWT yet, so later we will add. Okay, then we just try to find why its old middleware is still need out middleware. So I need to make sure this is not error, so out middleware GWT secret to be string, so this test will have something like this. So test is error, we need to make sure this one first, this one, yeah, and this one, the last one should be, yeah, then it should be fine. Then we need to move on to the other service, wallet service, ledger service, and transaction service, payment service, and scheduler service, notification service, until API gateway. Yeah, I think I think this one until the 6.9. or 6.10. It's okay, I think later. So yeah, wait a second, I need the ledger first. Here, ledger service, just add this one, ledger service. We have an error, so we need to make sure this is the same function here in the 47, which is this one. And then change to wallet cracks, and then server option as well here, gRPC server, yeah, this one. Then protect it to be at the auth middleware as well, this gfg.gwt secret. Yeah, so this one should be fine. We move on to the notification service. We copy the shared gRPC as well. Yeah, to the right. Okay, here user credential, we add this one, user connection. Yeah, user connection. Here we need to change the user connection here. Yeah, okay. Okay, then after that, I think it's done. Yeah, I think we go to the payment service now. Here, share gRPC serve. Here we import, and we added gfg app.env insert. Where is this? 63. We need to do that. I think this one no need lah, later we will add. Yeah, and then we do gfg gwt secret insert the auth middleware, but the server option for gRPC also need to change. Yeah, this one. We leave this first because we are only working on the gRPC. Yeah, only gRPC first. Yeah, then we move to the scheduler service or payment service. We don't have scheduler service, notification and payment. Okay, payment is already. I think payment is already here. Okay, then scheduler service main.go. This one is later. Script and shared already done, so we go to the transaction service. We have transaction service or not? Yeah, because we have an error here. Okay, transaction service, we add shared gRPC, and then we add this one user graph after box worker start. Here user graph, and then we change from insecure to here. Just tap and tap. Here wallet creates as well. Yeah. And ledger creates. Yeah, a lot of things here, I think. Here and we add this one. Yeah, and then server option also we need to accept. Server option is where server, yeah, this one we need to accept the credential. Okay, should be fine. We add the gFGWT secret as well here in the error, this one. Okay, actually, do I miss something here? I miss something or not? I think no. This one should be fine. And yeah, I think the other thing is user service, share gRPC here. We need to copy. And then after that, wallet credential, wallet creds inside where 49 here. Yeah, this one. That. Then defer cancel. We still have defer cancel? No, we don't have defer cancel. So yeah, this one should be removed. Yeah, after we are already removed. Actually, I think so. We don't have user defer cancel. And Redis not judge not responding. Redis catch not responding, and then Redis catch not responding is already done. Yeah, this one we need to add gFG the gRPC secret. Yeah, this one I think I need to make sure like this lah. Okay, this one also. I just want to make this not so long to the right. I hope this one is more readable, more good as a code itself. And then after that, I create the for the wallet service here. Wallet service here. I just change the gRPC here because wallet service don't have communication to the other. He just open the server gRPC. So this one should be fine. Why the tab is not working though? Okay, I think this one works. The other part I don't think I have. Okay, I have need to tap and tap. Nothing here. I add the gWT secret here. Okay, so now for the close to the right, for the what I call it, gRPC is done. So we move on to the other, which is hardening the gWT. We will rewrite the gWT code, yeah, delete the get secret key entirely and change every function signature to accept secret key string and add algorithm pinning and claim validation. Okay, let me check in the gWT. We have in the shared auth, I think, gWT in the generate token and validate token. Here is validate, generate token is like something like this, yeah, with the type sign get secret key here. But validate token is something like this as well. Get secret key is get the secret from the env, and then we will create a new pattern here. So what this one is, just wait a second. This is because injects we need to make sure that we are creating the issuer and audience, yeah. Okay, now I think we can go to the shared. If I'm not mistaken, it should be in the shared. Wait, shared in the gwt, this one. Okay, we new pattern, we will add this constant here before, yeah, in the up, and then we generate token function is this one. We remove the get secret key, we remove the get secret key and generate token. Wait, we remove this bot function and change to the generate token, this one. Okay, and then after that we generate token with type. Also need to change, wait, generate token with time is something like this. Wait a second, I will make sure like doing this one. Okay, then this one also. Okay, and then after that we add insert registered claim to be here with the issuer, audience. So issuer is this one, GoWallet auth service, and audience is GoWallet API. Then just doing something like this, change to here byte secret key, yeah, this one should be fine. Okay, then for the validate, I also need to change function validate token here, and then get secret key need to change like this, and then this one is signing method with the hmac, and then this one I add before claims invalid token claim here. If claim okay, then invalid, sorry, wait, so if claim okay, then if not, the claim is different from the type, so we return invalid token claim, and then if all checking is good, we will return the claim. So after that, gwt test also should be an error, because we need to make sure that this one is change. Wait, I need to add this one, and the token is different, generate token, and this one also validate is different here. Claim validate token, wait, it's no here, claim, and then here expires token, with a test secret, and then test secret. Okay, this one. Then we add a function algorithm confusion, another test here. Yeah, this one. And then what? In the config, it should be the same or not. Let me see. Config gwt token we also have already done. So after that, we are doing updating the auth middleware in the share.go. So config database auth, where is auth middleware auth here. Actually auth here is inside middleware. Yeah, this one, middleware auth.go. We have an error, so we change here. Oh yeah, it's the same, sorry. So the claim is different. Claims inside 47 is different here. And then validate token with type. Okay, this one is validate token, and change to validate token with type, and then we remove if client token type and claims token type access here. We doesn't need this one. And then out test also we need to change here. r.use RDB here we can change to here. Wait, and this one. But we have something error, so we need to check this one. Token is the test gwt secret. Yeah, so this should be fine. And then after that, what is this one first? I think I need to move on again here. So we need to update all color this to pass the gRPC secret. This one is already done. If you can see the last time, wait, we still have a service fail here. Our generate token with type in the out service. Okay, later we will do. So every pass no pass at the first out service.go. This one. We need to change the out service internal here because we have an error. If you can see here, I have already passed the gwt secret, but here we have an error, so we move to the out service, and then out service.go we change this one, yeah, to have the gwt secret inside out service name. Set out service gwt secret. Okay, this one should be good. And then we need to change the access token to s.gwt secret. Access token is in 81. No, I think error is inside here. This one should be, yeah. Okay, then I just want to make sure something like this, and then after that this refresh token, something like this, and then new access token in here. We have error. Where is this error? New access token, yeah, I think. Just tap this one. we have gWT secret here. For the claims also need to have gWT secret. Then after that, in the access token, wait, I think I need to check here. Do we have this one? Yeah, I think this one should be changed. Get delete to, and then rdb delete is remove. Yeah, and then here, if status code and status code 263 is, where is this? Google user info here. I think this is later, not a now, this is not now. Okay, we change first, we remove first, because we need to make sure that the error is gone first. This one as the gWT secret, and then here yeah, this one as the gWT secret as well. And the token we change to hash token here. Hash token, okay, this one. Handle Google callback. So wait, I think also we need to fix the Google OAuth security gaps here with reply fix for vulnerability, which is reply attack, unverified email, gRPC error confusion, plain text refresh token. So first is this import. Add this import. We still in the auth service, so we import this one. It's actually automatically import, but no problem, we can do this. And then after that, gWT secret to fill out service, this already done, and then this also already done. Automatic handle callback changing to get plus del is two operation between them, and attacker could replay the same state value. So get del is atomic, it gets and delete in one command. So we remove, yeah, here change s.rdb get in here to be get delete, and then this also we need to delete the rdb delete key. This one, wait, okay, and then after that, if response status code, wait, we need to make sure first Google verified email, where is this one? If Google verified email unverify, yeah, this one. And then after that, I think, wait a second, I should remember where is the here OAuth provider error. Let me check OAuth provider error now. So I just add this one, yeah, return, add this return defer body close here. We just can tap this one, and if Google is verified email is not true, here is that, here is after the code, yeah, Google user info, the code is should be before you get user client by ID, yeah, this one. Okay, so if not verified, the email Google account email is not verified, so we return the error. And then after that, if error is nil here, Google user email. This one is found in gRPC actually. User not found, create via gRPC. No user not found, create via gRPC. Before that, we add this one. Is status okay from error. Is not okay, then gRPC error looking up during OAuth login error. No row in result. Error internal server. Wait, this one, right? Is this? If not found, create via gRPC. Status code not found. No rows in result set. We doesn't need to add this actually. Wait. Do we need this one? Actually, we cannot. If actually, what code is this? Let me check. Then I think this all should be fine, or except this. This is status from error. Okay, do we need this? Yes, absolutely. During Google Auth login, there are two distinct scenarios when user email fail. New user login with the first time, returns code not found, and continue execution. So yeah, if the status code is not same as not found, and status message is no rows, not same as no rows, so this one should be written error. But if the status is not found, we can go here. This is for maybe it's down, DB crash, or network timeout, so we need to abort immediately. So yeah, this one should be fine. We add this. Then after that, we continue again to number what it's this handle callback. Verify, distinguish the error, get user by email. Wait, get user by email. Okay, this one should be fine. We also have refresh token, yeah. And pass GWT to all token operation should be generate with token with type. Okay, access token here, generate token. Access token is not with type though, but why access token is here is with type? I think I misquote. Yeah, I think because of what? Let me check first. In the first one, generate access auth here. In the first one, we should use with type. Login is with type. Why this with type, but this one is not with type? Okay, this one is with type. This one is handle Google callback. I think generate token, access token here. We need to have with type, yeah. All of this, okay, with type. Validate token. We have this one not with type. Wait. Generate token with type. Okay, I think generate token with type, yes, but if generate token only, I think all is already with type, so not should be fine. Then we move on to secure the avatar upload. Replace trust in content type with actual image decoding, add dimension limit, and add strip exif metadata via re-encoding. So user service internal here. So user service inside handler writing. When here I think I need to go user service internal. And where is the service one? Yeah, this one. We see in the 50, which is 50. Where is 50? Wait, this one is user service internal user handler, sorry. Get profile or no, this is 53, so yeah, 50. This one, okay. I think we need to change to here. No, not this one. This one, sorry, this is different case, yeah. The what we are talking about is for the upload avatar, so it should be in here. We decode first inside 150, 144 here. Content type we change and we remove this one to be if image format image decode file, so we do here we check if image decode is different. It do not trust the header or file extension, so file extension may be .png, .img, .pd, .jpeg, but it's actually a script or something. Then this is bad for us, yeah. We need to make sure this is the correct one. And then image large or not, we need to check. So after that we change this one if extension here, so we change this one if png, jpeg, or extension jpeg, if not png or jpeg, then invalid format. And then after that avatar URL is changed to this one. I just add this one here, maybe. No need, because it's still not this is long, yeah, I think, but it's okay. Then after that, okay, so edit microservice handler should be fine. So image decode here, image.decode, where is this one, reads actual byte and determines the real format. Magic byte not HTTP header. If someone renames malware.php to photo.php, image decode will fail because the bytes are not a valid image. And then we check that decode image dimension not exceed to 4K to 4000 to 4 times 4000 pixel. This prevent decompression bombs, tiny file that expand to gigabytes in memory. We re-encode the image into a fresh byte buffer. This strips all exif metadata, GPS coordinate, camera info, and any embedded script. Because if we still have exif metadata, if someone get the picture, GPS coordinate can be tracked, yeah, and then camera info can be tracked as well. And then we upload the clean re-encode patch, not the original file. I also fix a bug in get profile around line 50, change if row to this one. So I think I also add here if exists, yeah, this one in the house. Where is this 50? Where is 50? This one if exists. Exists the user context not found, if not exists, and then if this one, if not none admin, you do not permission to view this profile, okay, or admin or the authenticated user. Then after that, what should we do? We secure Stripe webhook inside the payment handler. What is this payment handler? Is mtmain.go, not in there but in here. Process webhook, yeah, I think process webhook in the handler. I think process webhook in the handler .gRPC, sorry, not .go, handler.go. Here I just limit request body first, inside the 75 here to make sure maximum is 64k kilobyte, and then change here read body payload here. HTTP max or body size. Is this correct? Then I think here securely properly structured for processing Stripe webhook. Okay, then we go to the service, go here app-env. Where is this 137 here, and then app.env here, and then app.env, sorry, here. We should have error in the cmdmain.go, but no problem. We create also here in production, if not in production, is 139 here. Fallback for development without configure webhook secret. Before that, we need to do here critical Stripe webhook secret environment variable is missing in production profile. Errors new. Do we have errors new? No. Or yes? I think yes. Errors new, change to here lah, maybe should be fine. Okay. Then I need to add the logger critical, yeah, is missing error message smg here. Just use this one, should be fine. Quick fix, yeah, this one should be fine. Then what happened after that? payment service .go to have API env and add production quarter on fallback. Yeah, and then in the same D I need to add gfg.appnv. Where is that? Here. Okay, should be fine. All of things are already done. Then we start temp. Prevent double spending and negative balances. We add amount validation, self-transfer rejection, and atomic balance quart. So we go to the transaction service, I think, and we but we are want to wait a second. Do we need to create new service or no? We just go to the service.go here, validate amount, which is this one, transfer inside transaction. I think I want to close all transaction service. Is that the service? I think, yeah, the service, and then service.go, and in the function transfer here, okay, and this can be 3. This 4, this 5, this one 6, 7. I think I don't need to create this actually. The rename this one, but no problem. I reject first. Wait. So this one, validate amount should be more than 0. Minimum is 1. Yeah, and then after that, reject self transfer 174, which is here after receiver not found. Yeah, rejects self transfer, cannot transfer money to yourself. Yes, which would be good. And then fail, which is this one. This fail is where here? Fail. Wait, I need to check. Compensation fail. This one is inside. Where is this? 508. This one I added the X repo update status. Compensation failed. And then we have again for failed. Compensation fail in the 500 sec. Yeah, this one, the X update. Yeah, then I think that's all. Yeah, this one, that's all. I think this one is what we do here is fix Saga compensation silent failure. So we find the 2 places where compensation failure is true. Before publishing the DL key, we add the update status transaction. Previously, when compensation failed, the code only published the DL key and return error. The transaction remained in the pending status in database, making it look like it might still succeed later. But now the compensation failure is permanently record, and the DL key takes the exact compensation step that failed for manual intervention. So after that, we bind internal ports to here, edit in the here, update Docker Compose and HTTP here. I think that get ignored. I think we add JSON body size limit and step get ignore update test out middleware HTTP database run test verify port binding. I think we can still working on this and Docker Compose now. So long this video, very long I think, sorry. Okay, here in the 14 here, Docker Compose 14, the port, add this one, this Alpine, here, and then also for the mailhawk. What is this one doing is to make sure that adding this one but not in the API gateway, this remain publicly accessible because the Docker publish port to 000 all network interface. This means anyone on the network can reach your MySQL, Redis, and internal gRPC port directly. Bypassing the API gateway is authentication entirely. We need to bypass this. So this one to prevent that any service except the API gateway or any DB or any infrastructure cannot be accessed from other app, from another app, because it's still inside the network. Then anyone that on the network still can reach. We preventing that by adding this IP, I think. Wait, it should be RabbitMQ, and then Mongo, and then Minio. It should be Minio, and then also we need to add this one, the gRPC SSL. Need to create as well. In where is this 105? It should be inside API gateway actually. I think inside the API gateway. Inside API gateway here. We add the volume, and then we still have to create to add this one inside out service in the port. And also need to add the gRPC volume here, gRPC. Okay, then here, where is this one? This one, and copy this one. In the wallet as well. And then this also copy. And for the ledger service as well. Should be the same, and then here in the transaction port, here SSLCA path, cert path, and then payment, Schedule service. Service. No need, yeah, I think. 384, but still scheduler services doesn't need the port, but still need the certificate. And also for notification service, I think. But audit and structure LI, I think no need. Yeah, structure LI where better inside this one. I think infrastructure. I will move structure LI to the up, yeah, here. Sorry, because this is not application service, but it's infrastructure, I think. So we also have mount the certificate, so we move to another step, which is HTTP security headers and body size limit in the API gateway here in the course, I think. Yeah, in the course file, in the course file, where is the gmd course? No, not here. Internal middleware. Course. Okay, the course, right? One. The function here, I need to create gene helper here. Okay, yeah, this one. Allow header, set allow origin, and allow credential I need to remove. And then after that, in the main.go, I think in profess we was use true, which is invalid per the course spec and security risk. Now we use origin allow list and only check back the origin header if it's in the list. And I think I need inside sanitize.go to have the max byte reader. So here is inside shared in the middleware, I think sanitize.go to have limit JSON shared here in the middleware in sanitize.go 30 HTTP max byte to be this one. And I think HTTP security test we can add later, but wait a second, I need to make sure we have update this one. Search in the gitignore search, yeah, no, the .crtk and srl is no need, I think, because the folder is already excluding in the gitignore. So I think we need to update the GWT test, already done, and our test already done actually, if I'm not mistaken. Financial, we need to add financial security test here inside transaction service. Let's go transaction service financial security test. Transaction service internal transaction service. Okay, so here in the transaction service I add this one. make tidy cd microservices, make tidy. Then after that, add HTTP security test header inside share middleware. Add HTTP security test header here. Where is that? In the share one, share middleware. This one is to test the serve HTTP. And then after that, update database test, update the database test, this one, to make sure not using env auth.env but directly use config load config. Yeah, this one. I think in the test database here, I just remove this one DSN. Then this one as well in the Mongo test. And then inside the RabbitMQ, and then the last one is Redis. Okay, and we check again, we run the testify. I will make sure that we have already covered all of this one by checking here in this one. Wait, should be in the API gateway main.go, API gateway main.go. Oh, yeah, I don't have this one. Okay, course middleware, I still don't add this one, gfg bash url. Okay, and HTTP server inside here, HTTP server 182. This one HTTP server I need to add, which is read header timeout, read timeout, and write timeout, idle timeout. This one is for add the timeout inside the API, sorry, inside the API gateway. And then course, I think I have already allow map here. Yeah, then audit service, inside the audit service test, audit service repository test. I also forget to add this one, so I don't want to use this. Just okay, wait, sorry, here config or config not using OS env. And then after that, inside our service main.go, what we have to here, I think, right, I will ask AI to make sure. Can you check please what I miss in this poll? Right, maybe I haven't add something. Don't code, just tell me. I think no miss code. I'm not sure, but I think no, we don't have miss test. Wait, I will close first and then test this all microservices. Go test race. Wait, the does complete for the setup rate. Make test maybe. Wait a second, make test. I hope that's all working properly, then I think still okay. The gRPC should be fine, clear. I want to verify Mac ID first. Mac build Linux and go run mine.go. Now after that go run docker compose app dash build dash d. So before that, I think I need to log in and then transfer and wallet lighting. Oh yeah, checking this minimum test. Yeah, I think I hope the project is still working properly. I think that's all. Should be good. Connection reviews. Okay, connection successfully. I think nothing bad lah. I think still working. Okay, what I want to do is I want to log in first. Invalid credential. What happened? Invalid credential. I just log in though. Why I got this one? Out service. Wrong email and or password. Out service. Invalid credential. What happened this one? I'm not sure. It should be, wait, go wallet out here, not out user, wallet user here. I want to check, is this my user still here or not? I think still this one. I got a wrong email or password. I log in, but I got this one, so I will need to debug. I got this. Should be in out service where I go mine.go login, and it should be changed to login here. Login access token is generated. Invalid login. What happened with invalid login? I think the password hash is, I see, if you see gRPC request failed, user not found. gRPC is error, but the wrong password. If no log appears, this one should be I think, yeah, this one is because the hash password hash, I think. Before do this, the log snippet is, but right, but before I change the code, the login part is work. Is there any changes for password hash? I'm not sure. Let me check with the register with a new guy here. Who is this inside this thing? Okay, let me check. Okay, I have the user here, so I open the webhook to make sure to verify. Then if I do login, still invalid credential, so this one should be have a different code in here. Can you please log in? Can you please check again? I add new user, but I still got failed login. I will debug this first. Yeah, I missed this one in the user service. Do we have user service here? User service should be changed to this one, server OPTs. Yeah, wait a second, I think I missed this one. What I should do is user service. Yeah, this one, user service is already done. Wallet credential, sorry, wait, wallet credit is already done, but we missed something here, which is server option. So this is not load the what is called, not load the certificate, and then I think I need to change this one to search again. I think no miss one, I missed that one. And then make build Linux again, sorry, this is the wrongly doing. I think I forgot to add that one. Docker compose app dash build dash d. So after I push this, I want to check one by one whether I missed something or not with this pull rec and then new pull rec. But first I want to test here. Okay, I got the token now. I make sure change here. I check my wallet is 161,900, and then I want to wait a second, I want to here to copy to transfer to this guy, to the new guy here with a test transfer 7. I want to enter. It should be still working, and I want to check my wallet. Yeah, this one should be fine. Transaction history, test transfer 7, and then reconcile, true, mutation, true. This should be fine. I will try to commit, and then make sure that my code is still the same. I want to create a new pull rec here. Wait, publish branch. I forgot to publish the branch. Git push origin, and I want to compare here. File changes is 51 with 48. I'm not sure, so I will open this one in here with the like this, and then this one also like this. Yeah, so what I want to check here like this, first is base URL address, and then this one course, red header manually. Yeah, I think go mode we skip. Now repository test, we have repository test. How did change to load config? Yeah, correct. Search gRPC, this one is cmd-main.go alt service. Okay, should be pretty the same, will create same, this is same, auth service same, server of the same, yeah, this JBL same, this one same, I think, yeah, pretty same, just different is like the new lines, yeah, and then here, your first token, claims, get delete, yeah, status code, unverified email already done here, and here already done. Generate token here is should be fine. Hash token, this go some and go mod, we leave it. Share gRPC here. I will pause the video first. So yes, we have one miss, which is scheduler service. I think I need to add scheduler service. As you can see here, payment service as my code is go directly to the script, but here we have a scheduler service. We need to change in scheduler service inside the main.go, yeah, main.go. That's miss this one. I think I need to out credential here, the 31, I think, out credential, something like this, yep, and then add this one to remove this guy, yeah. Then after that, wallet credential, we need to add this one, scheduler service. Wait, here, yeah, I think that's done. And gRPC connection to the transaction service, we add inside transaction service here. Then we change this one as well, and then user service, if we didn't do this, then our scheduler is not working for communication with the gRPC. Then last one is gRPC connection to payment service. I think last one or not, I'm not sure, let me check after this. And then here I just make sure like this, then we gRPC here, and then 6, yeah, this one to be the 6 here, and this should be 7, this should be 8, box worker 8. I think that's all we can working on this. I think same. Then we have to the same share out gwt, generate token. I think okay, I add this, yeah, defer cancel here, and I also need to check whether I think something I miss, because this is different. I want to check in the share here. Inside share I have the gRPC security test. I think gRPC, we don't have gRPC security test and mTLS test, so we create gRPC security test. security_test.go, security_test.go here. And then mTLS test.go here, and after this I will push and I will check the file again. I will check one by one, and then I think I'm not missing something here, so I think consider done, yeah, this course, and I will move to the push to the master. Here if you can see we have 51 file changes, and this new we have also 51 changes. So I just want to merge this, and see you in the next video. Yeah, I will close this one first lah. See you in the next video. Thank you. I think I delete this branch. I think I put this inside our rack in here. How to do that? Edit, yeah, this one, and update comment. Yeah, thank you.